I moved my answer up here so I can have some room to check. So let's check it. And this is going to be good for you. All right, we check it by plugging the number in. So I have 3/2 minus 75/28 minus 3 divided by 3 equals 3 times 75 divided by 28 divided by 5. Okay, well, let's see, 3/2 minus, I need a common denominator here of 28. So 3 times 28 is 84. So that's 75/28 minus 84/28 divided by 3. Let me put that in parentheses. Equals, well, I need to do 3 times 75, and I can also divide by 5. Let's do the 3 times 75. This would be, what is that, 225/28. And when you divide by 5, it's the same as inverting and multiplying by 1/5. So it's kind of awkward to have this complex fraction, but we can, take out the divide by 5 and replace it by times 1/5. All right, let's see, it's going to start looking better here finally. 3/2 minus, now 75 minus 84 is minus 9, so I get minus 9/28. And I'm going to write that a little more legibly, a little bigger. So this is minus 9/28. And like I did on the right side, I'm dividing by 3. So dividing by 3 is the same as inverting and multiplying by 1/3. Equals, over here, 5 will cancel with 225 45 times. That helps. Down here, those negatives will cancel, and the 3 cancels the 9. So I've got, let me write this. This is 45/28. All right, well, I need to make room here, so let me do a little erasing. Boy, if you could do this, you'd be in, reliably, you'd be in really great shape with all your arithmetic skills and algebra skills if you do these kind of checks. I find most students don't have the patience for this, and most students don't do as well as they should. So that's probably why. Okay, so I have 3/2 plus 3/28 equals to 45/28. Well, I need a common denominator. I need to make this a 28. I can do that by multiplying by 14. And so 3 times 14 is 42/28 plus 3/28 equals 45/28. And finally, we add our fractions on the left. 42 plus 3 is 45. 45/28 equals 45/28. So it checks. We got the right answer. So aren't you glad you stuck around for this? Okay. It's always a good feeling to check one of those and see that it comes out right. Now, if the left side didn't equal the right side, then there's a mistake. Either the original answer is wrong, or unfortunately you might have made an error in the check. But so if you get the left side doesn't equal the right side when you're checking, it's not a no solution problem, it's a I screwed up problem. Okay, it's a mistake. So then you need to go back and try to find the error. All right, well, that wraps up this section.